everyone, this is Lucy, and today I will show you how to add subtitles in Davinci Resolve 19. So it's a really easy method, just follow these steps. So you need to right click on your timeline right below this duration and click on add subtitle track. So you will create this subtitle section. You can rename it. Now go to the inspector in the top right corner. So now you just need to click on create caption and start typing your caption here like this. Hello everyone, and as you can see, you can set the duration for it by dragging this, and you can also set the size for your subtitle, and you can also change the font of your subtitle like this, and you're done. So you can add a different subtitle by clicking on this add new button right here. Now go ahead and write your subtitle, your content, and you will see that it just added a subtitle. And just like this, you can create a new subtitle like that, change the size, change the font of your subtitles. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.